Okay guys, today we're going to have a look at the Ambassador. See what the finished Ambassador is going to look like. And the back at the moment, you can see there's not a lot changed around here. A few of the apartments have got the windows in now. Still got the green netting up so we can't see a lot around this side. Now walk down now. You can see in the glass. I can't see a lot on the camera. I've got a lot of sun in my eyes at the moment. See, there's some of the apartments got glass in there. Glass doors. Ready to put the balconies back on. It's going to look fantastic when it's finished, guys. We'll have a look around the front in a minute and show you what it's like around there. And what they're going to do with them big holes on the side. If they're going to be windows. We'll have a look in a minute, see what they are. How many of the buildings I caught, but the builders are working on it. But quite a few guys on there still. There you go. And they're doing interior fittings more now. Start getting the place back up to standard. 1st of August I think they're going to reopen. I think that's the plan. And they look like they're going well with that at the moment. I'm sure it'll all come together in time. It's going to be a really nice hotel, this Ambassador, when they've finished it. That's cost a lot to have it done though, I'm sure. Just crossing the road there, guys. Where we are, guys, it's just over the road from the Flash. There's the Flash over there. And obviously the more well-known Neptune's and Morgan's Bar, just over the road from there. Right, we're going to have a look what the new product's going to look like now. This brand new hotel, completely refurbished. Gone with a pink theme. Seems to be what they're doing at the moment in Benidorm, going with a pink theme. One or two of the hotels have got that sort of thing done. You see the balconies there and they're finished. With the pink glass on, of course. White buildings. I think you can see that though, guys, can't you? It's not black and white anymore. Come on, Mike, get your act together. There you go. That'll be a nice view from up the top there, I'm sure. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to buy me a beer, PayPal link underneath. And some of the apartments not quite finished yet. Looking a bit further up. They've been painted up. Not quite finished. I'm sure it won't be long before they are finished though. At the moment we haven't heard any more about the Western Saloon Bar. Let me know if you've heard anything about that on the other videos from Benidorm. Last we heard it was supposed to be going back in where it was. And then the bar next door came up for sale. Now we're wondering whether it's going to go in there with an extension. We don't know at the moment. We did hear it's going to go up on the corner where the nightclub used to be. I don't think it's going there. We'll have a look. There's the finished apartments. It's been very nice indeed. I don't think I'd have gone with the pink, but there you go. It's just a personal preference. Looking very nice though. And we're going to have a look on the side. See what they did with that. The holes in the scaffolding. Or was it part of the building? Bottom one seems to be covered in white tubes. And the higher ones look like a wooden effect. I wouldn't say the windows. I'm not sure how to describe them, to be honest. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video.